हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द नीडल मैजिक में आपका स्वागत है। आज के इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम ये कैप बनाएंगे कैट के लिए। सो दिस इज अ कैट कैप, दिस इज अ कैप फॉर अ कैट। आई डोंट हैव एनी कैट्स ओवर हियर, सो दिस इज फॉर अ फ्रेंड्स कैट, सो आई होप शी लव इट। सो these are the holes for the ears and it's really very cute. I hope you like the tutorial. So let's get started. Let's start by making a slip knot. तो पहले slip knot बनाएंगे। Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now in the first chain that you made, we have to make 12 double crochet stitches in this first chain. तो ये जो first chain हमने बनाई थी, हम इसमें 12 double crochet stitches बनाएंगे। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now go and slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch that we made, not the chain 2. तो ये जो chain 2 बनाया था इसमें नहीं, जो हमने first double crochet stitch बनाया था उसमें जाके slip stitch करेंगे. So we'll go in and make a slip stitch. Now for round 2, again chain 1, 1 double crochet stitch in the same space where we slip stitched. एक double crochet stitch इसमें डालेंगे जिसमें हमने slip stitch किया था, and 1 more double crochet stitch in the same space. तो basically हमने वहाँ पे 2 double crochet stitches बनाए. Then in the next stitch again we have to make 2 double crochet stitches. 1, 2. Then again 2 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. So basically we are making 2 double crochet stitches in each of these stitches. तो हमने हर एक stitch में 2 double crochet stitches करने हैं. So this will be 2 double crochet stitches in each of the stitches here until we complete our round. So keep doing 2 double crochet stitches in each of these stitches, and by the end of the row you must have 24 double crochet stitches. After completing the round, slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch, not on the chain 1. On the double crochet stitch we'll do a slip stitch. तो slip stitch कर लीजिए जो double crochet stitch हमने बनाया था first उस पे. For the next round again chain 1, 1 double crochet stitch in the same space where we did a slip stitch. जहाँ पे हमने slip stitch की थी वहाँ पे हम एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. Next stitch में 2 double crochet stitches बनाएंगे. So in the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochet stitches in the same space, in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Now in the next stitch again we'll do 1 double crochet stitch, and in the next we'll do 2 double crochet stitches. तो हमने यही रिपीट करते जाना है, एक डबल क्रोशे स्टिच फिर नेक्स्ट में 2. सो अगेन नाउ 1 डबल क्रोशे स्टिच, and in the next stitch again we have to make 2 double crochet stitches. Again in the next 1 double crochet stitch, and in the next 2 double crochet stitches. So you have to complete this round in this pattern. After completing the round, you have to slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch that we made. तो जो double crochet stitch हमने बनाया था first, उस पे हम slip stitch कर देंगे. Now for the next round again chain 1, 1 double crochet stitch in the same space where we slip stitched. एक double crochet stitch उसी space में बनाएंगे जहाँ पे हमने slip stitch किया था. 1 double crochet stitch in the next space, in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. 1, 2. So again 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, 1 in the next, and 2 in the next stitch. So we are doing an increase after every 2 stitches. So you have to keep repeating this, 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, then again 1 double crochet stitch in the next, and 2 double crochet stitch in the next. So we have to keep repeating that until we complete this round. So after completing the round, we have to slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch that we made. So first double crochet stitch में हम slip stitch कर देंगे. So by the end of this round, you must have 48 double crochet stitches. तो ये round होने के बाद आपके पास ये 48 double crochet stitches होनी चाहिए. So now we'll begin with the next round. Next round के लिए first we have to chain 1. तो chain 1 करेंगे and we have to make 14 double crochet stitches in each of these 14 stitches first. So we'll make 1 double crochet stitch in the same space where we slip stitch. जहाँ पे हमने slip stitch किया था वहाँ पे हम एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. 1. अब next 13 और बनानी है हमने. So we have to make a total of 14 double crochet stitches. So this is the first double crochet stitch. Second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now chain 5. अब इसके बाद chain 5 करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 5 stitches. 5 stitches को skip कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th one we'll go and make a double crochet stitch. एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे 6 stitch पे. So this will be the ear hole for 1 ear. अब हमको 10 और double crochet stitches चाहिए इस side पे. So we should have 10 more double crochet stitches this side. So 1 we have already made. We'll make 9 more. So 1 we have already made. This is the second one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now again chain 5. इसके बाद फिर से हम chain 5 करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 5 stitches. 5 stitches को skip कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 वाले में से फिर से हम double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. So go into the 6th stitch, make a double crochet stitch and all the way around till you reach here you will have 14 double crochet stitches. So this is the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch that you made. तो यहाँ पे हम slip stitch कर लेंगे. So now we have both our ear holes here. So let's begin with the next round. We'll chain 1 at the beginning and we'll make a double crochet stitch in the same space where we slip stitched. तो हमने chain 1 किया है और अब हम वहीं पे double crochet stitch बनाएंगे जहाँ पे हमने slip stitch किया था. and in this round we have to make one double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. तो हम हर stitch में एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे इस round के लिए. So just go into the stitches and make double crochet stitches. One stitch in each of these stitches. And when you reach the ear hole here, the chain 5, make one double crochet stitch in each of these stitches. तो हर एक stitch में हम एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. यहाँ पे हमने पहले chain 5 किया था, तो हर एक stitch में जाके हम एक double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. फिर normally double crochet stitches के ऊपर double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. So we'll just keep doing one double crochet stitch on each stitch here till we reach our second ear hole. And then again for the second ear hole, we'll go into each of these chains and make a double crochet stitch. तो हम फिर से इन chains में जाएंगे. 5 chains है हमारे पास यहाँ पे, तो हम 5 double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again keep working on the stitches. Stitches के ऊपर वापस बनाएंगे हम. हर एक stitch के ऊपर एक double crochet stitch. Just keep doing one double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches until you complete the round. So after completing the round, again we'll go into the first double crochet stitch that we made and we'll make a slip stitch. तो जो first double crochet stitch बनाया था, as usual हम उसमें slip stitch कर देंगे. Now for the next round, we'll again chain 1, one double crochet stitch in the same space that we slip stitched in. जहाँ पे slip stitch किया था वहाँ पे हम double crochet stitch बनाएंगे. Now we have to make the ribbed border. Now if you don't want to make the ribbed border, you can just do one double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches, but the ribbed border really gives a very nice effect like this. So if you want the ribbed border, you can do this front post and back post double crochet stitch. Otherwise you can just do plain one double crochet stitch in each of the following stitches and come back and slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch that you made. तो अब मैं जो कर रही हूँ इसमें मैं ribbed border के लिए फ्रंट पोस्ट और बैक पोस्ट डबल क्रोशे स्टिच करूंगी. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो आप डायरेक्ट सिर्फ वन डबल क्रोशे स्टिच भी हर एक स्टिच में कर सकते हो. सो नाउ फर्स्ट विल मेक अ फ्रंट पोस्ट, then we'll make a back post double crochet stitch. If you want the rib border, you can do this. It really gives a very nice effect. Then again one front post double crochet stitch, one back post double crochet stitch, one front post double crochet stitch, one back post. So I'll keep continuing this until I complete this round. If you don't want to do the ribbed border, you can just continue doing one double crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. So I'll meet you back when I complete this round. So I've completed this round and I'll be slip stitching on the first double crochet stitch here that I made. Now I'll just repeat this round once more, but you can just fit it on your cat and you can see if it's fine. You can just stop here, but I'm going to do one more round of this ribbed pattern and then I'll fasten off. Chain one double crochet stitch in the same space where we slip stitched, one front post double crochet stitch, one back post double crochet stitch, one front post double crochet stitch and one back post double crochet stitch. So I will keep repeating that and meet you up when I finish this round. So I've completed the round. Now I'll just slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch that I made, chain one and fasten off. we can just take a tapestry needle and weave in all these ends. So the cap is ready. We just need to add a pom-pom and the side strands. For the tying string, I'm just going to chain 100 and fasten off, and this is what I'm going to use, so I'll show you how to do that. We have to make 2 of these, so we'll slip stitch first. We'll make a slip knot. Now we'll chain 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to chain 100 like this, and then I'll show you what to do. I have chain 100. मैंने 100 chains बना ली हैं. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll fasten off. So I have 2 of these. So I'll just fold the cap into half, and on both the corners, in any of these spaces that you have, we'll add this, one of the strings. Just pull them through on both the sides. Make sure they are equal at the end, and then I'm just going to roll them. And we'll tie a couple of knots here at the bottom. We'll do the exact same for the next side as well, and we'll just leave this. We'll cut the excess. We'll just measure it and level it, and we'll cut the extra yarn from here, and we'll leave it as it is. So I've done the exact same with the next side as well. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you like the tutorial, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon as you'll be notified whenever I upload my new video. Stay happy, keep crocheting. Bye bye.